Ever wondered how websites handle user sign-in? Let's learn how to implement authentication in Next.js using Clerk. First, create your Next.js project. Using these commands, install Clerk by this command in the terminal. Then go to theclerk.com and create your account and creating a new application. There are a lot of sign-in options for you to choose from. Here I will only do GitHub and Google for now. Then copy the credentials and go to your Next.js app directory and create a .env.local file. Paste all your creds there. In the root folder, create a new file and name it middleware.ts. Paste this code, which is available in Clerk Docs. Here you can replace public roots with just a root. Now go to your main page .tsx, remove all the content, and write raftc, which will generate a boilerplate code. Now import the signed-in component, which is coming from Clerk Next.js. This element will only render when user is signed in. Inside this, I will render user button, which is simply an profile view button. We can also render sign it out component, which will only render when user is not signed in. Inside this element, we want sign in button, which is basically a button for user to sign in. Now, when we look in the website, there is a sign in button. We can sign in easily with it. If you want a website for yourself, join Discord.